everyone, it's on to DJ. Today I'm going to be playing Roblox Piggy. Let's do this. Intermission. One. Let's do Metro. The forest was so bad. No dog pick forest cage. Last time I played this, I couldn't even see. Infection. I'm doing infection. Yes, infection. Yes, it is infection. One. Yes, I'll forward it. Okay, forwarded. One player to one player. Okay. Let's do this. Who's it gonna be? Me! Well, why am I starting out? I don't want to. Oh my gosh. Like, I've never been the piggy before. This is my second time playing. And I've never been the piggy. Don't worry, bunny, we're getting out of here. Why am I the piggy? How do you even swing? How do you swim? I don't even know how you swing. Oh, do you go near them? I think you just have to go near them. You have been piggies. You sadly can't crawl. Here traps stun players. Touch players to catch them. Okay, yeah, just touch them. The piggy also looking love. Wahaha. But, come here. Come here, dude. No! That sucks. I think he wants to be the piggy. Ching! Hey, where can I move? Control. Okay, I guess they won't let me do traps yet. No! I almost got him! Oh, that is so mean! What was that? Aha, boy. Come here. Did he go this way? Hey, it's a pretty good start. Yeah. Did I just do that to myself? There's nobody in here, I don't think. Oh, there he is. We're about to corner you off. Go in there, go in there. Oh, I thought he was gonna come through here. Why is there happy music in this? Let's come over here. Oh, I think. Is there anything back here? Is there? I don't think there's anyone over here. Piggy's gone for 20 seconds. So, ooh, haha, you had a carrot. Get out of here, boy. I don't know why there's happy music. That's just wrong for this game. Ooh, you weren't. Oh my gosh, I don't even. He got me there. He got me there. He is so lucky, bro. Okay, he may have went over here. Nobody's unlocked any doors. It's just weird. I always get stuck by this. Ooh, there's nowhere. No, he has a gun. I think so. He's gonna stun me. Just get more dark in here. Got him. Game over. He won. Let's go. Haha. My first win. I'm gonna give you 5. Shop. Piggy. Ooh, little brother is thrifty. I can almost get him. Traps. The default. Small traps. Well, what do we want? I think I get why. because that has more and that has less. 4 seconds. Ooh, alarm traps. Oh, that's cool. That'd be really cool to have. Alright, intermission. I'm gonna do Metro again. I think I know that map now already. Is it me again? Infection. We're gonna do player this time? Okay. Let's do bot. I've never done that before. Yeah, choose bot. Oh, dang it. Okay. Whatever. I guess we're doing player. Better not be me, because I'm gonna suck. New helmet 1. Okay. Oh, that was almost me. I am so glad it wasn't me. Oh my gosh. We're almost out of here. I just need to rest a little. ... Don't worry, bunny. We're getting out of here. Oh, shoot. Okay. Yep, we might get out of here. You never know. We'll find a way to get this train working. Alright, you could just play. Gotta shift it up too. Wait, there's a key. I think there's a key. The orange key. You might need that. Orange key. Okay, that cost a coin, I think, yeah. Watch Think Noodles in this map, or Piggy has woken up. No. Let's hope he doesn't get us. Oh no. What was that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was literally the closest thing ever. Come on, go, go, go. We need the coin. The coin. Get it? Get it and run, get it and run. Go. Oh my gosh. I think we're doing pretty good right here. No, I heard him, I heard him, I heard him. I heard his bear traps. Alright, let's go. Always hold your item. Oh shoot, what was that? Okay. I know where this is, it's back over here. Oh, dang it, we need a turquoise key. What was that? Oh my gosh, I've never heard that sound before. Oh no, 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 I heard that. You can't tell me I heard that. You can't tell me you didn't hear that. The piggy, the piggy, the piggy, the piggy, the piggy. No, no, no! Dang it! Dang it! Okay. How much minutes are there left? Alright, I'll catch you back when we're... Okay, I decided that you guys, if you want to watch it, you could just skip through the video. If you don't, well, if you don't want to watch it, you could skip the video. If you want to watch it, you could watch this. This is the piggy right here. Let's see how the other guys are doing. Let's come over here. I got so close to the machine with the coin, just the piggy was like over there. I was like scared to go over there because I was afraid that he was just gonna pop out of nowhere and like bang me with that bat. I like this music. Oh, I saw the piggy. I literally saw him through down there. I saw his dress. Over there. I saw his dress. Or hers, whatever. I saw Peppa's dress. That's where I needed the key. Yes, and then all we needed to do was give it to the bunny. Because it would give a carrot. Oh, you need 2! Oh, no! He's OP. Oh, I can't. Dude, you shouldn't have been ducking. That's just sad. Alright. What else is there? Oh, that's me. You come on. Oh! This is the only guy left. Dang, this new guy one is good. Dude, he's like literally the last guy. He only has 5 minutes and 51 seconds left. You hear those bear traps? Alright, we'll be back. And the winner is the piggy. Okay, here's me. Wait, hold on. Sorry. No, the piggy didn't win. No, wait, what? Okay, we'll have to end the video here. I'm so sorry. The time's running out for it. Yep, time's running out. So if you guys enjoyed the new episode of Piggy, let me know in the comments down below. If you want more episodes, we could do some episodes together. See if we could get better over the days we play. And after another episode, I might do Fishing Simulator. So, well, on Roblox. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more episodes of Roblox Piggy. I will see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.